At Microsoft, AI software development is guided by 6 key principles for responsible AI. Let's take a look at these principles and how they relate to the challenges and risks we discussed earlier. First one is fairness. AI should treat everyone fairly. For example, if you create machine learning model to support loan approvals at a bank, the model should make decisions based on facts, no gender, ethnicity, or other factors that could unfairly favor or disadvantage certain groups. Azure Machine Learning helps with this by allowing data scientists to see how each part of the data influences the model's predictions. This helps find and fix any biases that may exist in the system. Second one, reliability and safety. AI system needs to be reliable and safe. Think about an AI system in an auto vehicle or a machine learning model that diagnose patient symptoms. If these systems are unreliable, they could create serious harm to human life. To avoid this, AI-based applications must undergo careful testing and management processes to ensure they perform as expected before they are used in real-world situations. Third, privacy and security. AI systems must be secure and respect privacy. Machine learning models use a lot of data, some of which could include personal information. Even after the model is trained and working, it continues to make decisions based on new data, which could raise privacy and security concerns. Fourth, inclusiveness. AI should empower everyone, no matter their physical ability, gender, ethnicity, or other factors. AI should benefit of all parts of society, ensuring that everyone has equal access and opportunity. Fifth, transparency. AI systems should be easy to understand. It's important that users know what the system is doing, how it works, and what limitations might exist. This way, users can make informed decisions about how to interact with the system. And finally, accountability. People should be responsible of the AI system they design and use. Developers need to work within ethical guidelines and legal frameworks, making sure their AI solutions meet clear understandings of accountability. These 6 principles help ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that is safe, fair, and beneficial to everyone. By following these guidelines, we can create AI systems that build trust and help improve lives.